By 2030, artificial intelligence will dramatically reshape the global job market, eliminating millions of roles while simultaneously creating entirely new career paths we've never seen before. From automation replacing repetitive tasks to AI unlocking opportunities in robotics, data science, and human-AI collaboration, the workforce of the future will look radically different. In this video, we'll explore how AI will both disrupt and drive employment, revealing who's at risk, who will thrive, and what skills you'll need to stay ahead. Today, we will talk about how AI will replace and create jobs by 2030. So before we start, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Jobs most vulnerable to AI automation. By 2030, millions of jobs that involve repetitive, rules-based, and predictable tasks will likely be replaced or significantly altered by AI. Roles in manufacturing, retail, data entry, telemarketing, and basic customer service are among the most vulnerable. For example, factory jobs involving manual assembly lines are being replaced by AI-powered robotics that can work 24/7 without fatigue, mistakes, or breaks. Similarly, in the retail sector, self-checkout systems, inventory management bots, and AI-driven logistics are rapidly reducing the need for human labor. Administrative positions like payroll clerks, scheduling assistants, and accounts payable processors are being automated by software that can handle large volumes of structured data far more efficiently than humans. One of the most cited examples is in the transportation sector. The rise of autonomous vehicles could drastically reduce the need for human drivers, affecting millions of jobs in trucking, ride-sharing, and delivery services. Another rapidly transforming domain is finance, where AI algorithms can analyze complex data sets, detect fraud, and offer investment advice with a level of speed and precision that outperforms human analysts. Even in healthcare, diagnostic tools powered by machine learning are challenging radiologists and lab technicians, providing faster and often more accurate readings of medical images and tests. White-collar jobs are also at risk. Contrary to early assumptions that AI would only affect blue-collar workers, we are now witnessing the encroachment of AI into white-collar domains. Legal research, content writing, contract analysis, and even journalism are increasingly being handled by sophisticated AI language models. For example, legal tech startups use AI to scan thousands of legal documents in seconds, providing insights and summaries that previously took junior associates days or even weeks. In the field of marketing, AI tools now generate product descriptions, social media captions, blog posts, and even scripts for ads, automatically adapting content for different audiences and platforms. Similarly, in the realm of education, intelligent tutoring systems are replacing traditional roles of educators in certain settings. AI can deliver personalized lesson plans, assess student performance, and provide targeted feedback without human intervention. Human teachers are not being entirely replaced, but their roles are being redefined as facilitators or mentors rather than information providers. This redefinition may occur across numerous professional fields as AI continues to mature. Jobs that AI is unlikely to replace. Despite its growing capabilities, AI has its limits, especially when it comes to tasks that require emotional intelligence, creativity, critical thinking, and human judgment. Jobs in fields like mental health counseling, complex negotiations, caregiving, and leadership are relatively safe from full automation. These roles rely heavily on human empathy, trust, ethical judgment, and nuanced communication, areas where AI, even in its most advanced forms, struggles to perform reliably. Skilled trades such as electricians, plumbers, and HVAC technicians are also less susceptible to automation because their work often involves unpredictable environments and complex manual dexterity that AI-driven robots have not yet mastered. Similarly, creative professionals in art, design, branding, and storytelling will still have space to thrive, even though AI may assist or collaborate with them. The human spark of imagination and original thought continues to be a domain AI cannot replicate authentically. New job categories and industries created by AI. Perhaps the most fascinating aspect of AI's impact on the job market is the emergence of new roles and entire industries that didn't exist a decade ago. Just as the internet created web developers, social media managers, and cybersecurity analysts, AI is giving rise to prompt engineers, AI ethicists, machine learning ops specialists, and data annotators. Prompt engineering, for example, has become a sought-after skill as companies need experts who can effectively communicate with AI systems to extract the most accurate and valuable outputs. The field of AI safety and ethics is also expanding rapidly. As AI systems are deployed in critical areas such as healthcare, finance, defense, and justice, organizations must ensure these technologies are used responsibly. This creates demand for ethicists, compliance officers, bias auditors, and AI explainability professionals who can bridge the gap between algorithms and societal values. Meanwhile, the growing AI infrastructure, cloud services, data pipelines, algorithm training facilities, requires a robust support system of engineers, researchers, data scientists, and cybersecurity experts. In addition, the rise of generative AI has spurred the creation of new markets in content production. AI-generated music, video, game assets, and marketing material are all part of a booming industry where humans oversee, curate, and monetize creative AI outputs. The creator economy is expanding to include roles that involve managing, editing, reskilling, and adaptation. The key to thriving in an AI-powered world. As AI reshapes the labor market, the ability to adapt and reskill becomes a critical survival strategy for workers. Governments, companies, and educational institutions are increasingly emphasizing lifelong learning as a means to future-proof the workforce. From short-term boot camps and micro-certifications to online degrees and vocational retraining programs, a wide array of opportunities are emerging to help individuals transition from declining sectors to growing ones. For example, a customer service representative displaced by chatbots could be retrained as an AI training data annotator or chatbot supervisor. A logistics worker affected by an autonomous delivery systems might upskill into a drone fleet maintenance technician or robotic system manager. Upskilling efforts are particularly focused on digital literacy, coding, data analysis, machine learning fundamentals, and human-centered design, skills that complement AI rather than compete with it. Private companies also have a role to play. Many forward-thinking employers are investing in internal learning platforms and offering training stipends to employees to reskill for AI-integrated roles. Amazon, Microsoft, IBM, and Google have already launched global initiatives to retrain millions of workers, knowing that AI adoption requires a workforce that understands both the technical and ethical dimensions of these systems. AI will transform, not just replace, the nature of work. A critical insight into the AI revolution is that it's not solely about replacement, but also about transformation. In many professions, AI will not eliminate jobs entirely but will change how they are performed. Human workers will be expected to work alongside AI, using it to boost productivity, decision-making, and creativity. For example, a marketing manager might use AI to analyze market trends and generate campaign ideas, but the final decision, strategy, and brand storytelling will still come from human input. If you liked this video and would like to see more like it, please give it the thumbs up. Leave a comment and click the button to subscribe.